Hey, how are you? This is Molly Richards, your host. Welcome to LadyBoss Unplugged. I am so happy that you are here for today's 5 minute fix. So, we do a 5 minute fix one day a week, and it's basically a shortened podcast because many times, I don't know if you're like me, I have about 5 minutes to listen to something, and I just need something to pump me up, get me motivated, and just, especially on those hard days, right? I'm like, I need something quick. I need a 5 minute fix to help me set my mind straight and to give me something good. And so that's the purpose of a 5 minute fix. So I'm so happy you are here. And by the way, can I just really quickly say thank you so much for sharing Lady Boss Unplugged, for subscribing, for sharing our episodes with friends, and also for giving reviews. We are so thankful for that. I am so thankful for that. And I just love hanging out with you. So let's go with this 5 minute fix. So today I want to talk with you about what's inside of us spills out. And I want to share this analogy with you because when I first heard it, I believe I heard it the first time from Wayne Dyer, who was such an amazing man. If you don't know who Wayne Dyer is, Google his name, Wayne, Wayne, last name Dyer. He was one of the most amazing humans I have ever had the privilege of meeting. I actually had read his books and listened to his audibles for many years. And one day, my husband and I were in a hotel lobby in Northern California. And I remember standing there and I said to my husband, "Oh my gosh, there's Wayne Dyer." And my husband's like, he usually tells me, don't go bug like famous people when we're out and about. And he knew the look in my eyes when I saw Wayne Dyer. And I said, "Can I please go say hi to him?" And he was so kind. He gave me a hug, and just the things that he teaches, the way he lived his life, the things he believed were magical and changed my life. So when I heard him share this analogy once, I was like, oh my gosh, that is so true. In fact, I remember sending it to everyone I knew, the analogy, and just saying, this is so interesting. So I want to share this with you. So what's inside of us spills out. So picture this. You are holding a cup of coffee, and then someone comes along and they bump your body, or they hit your arm, right? And all of a sudden you spill your coffee everywhere. The question is, why did you spill the coffee? Is the answer because someone bumped into me? No, you spilled the coffee because there was just coffee in your cup. Had there been tea in your cup, you would have spilled tea. Do you see what I'm saying? So, whatever is inside of the cup is what is going to spill out. And so, what this means is when life comes along, it's going to shake you, right? It just happens. It's just going to shake you. That's life. And so, whatever is inside of us is what's going to come out. We are the cup, right? So, it's easy to fake life until we get rattled. And so, the question is, what's in my cup? What is in your cup? When life gets tough and challenging and stressful, what spills over? What spills out of you? What comes out of you? Is it stress? Is it anger? Is it resentment? Or is it gratitude? Is it peace? Is it joy? What is it? Is it anger? Is it a victim mentality? Is it a tendency to quit? Or is it an attitude of, yes, I got this? Is it an attitude of belief in yourself? So life actually provides us this cup, right? But we as humans, we get to choose what we fill our cup with. We get to choose what spills out of our cup when we get rattled, when we get bumped into, when we spill our coffee or our tea, right? So I just want to encourage you to work towards filling your cup with things like forgiveness, with things like joy, gratitude, positivity, words of affirmation. Fill it up with kindness. Fill it up with care. Fill it up with compassion. Our world needs all of this. I'm getting teary even thinking about it. Fill it up with motivation. Fill it up with gentleness. Fill it up with an attitude of completing things, not quitting, and fill it up mostly with an attitude of love for others and love for yourself. When you fill your cup with all of those beautiful, wonderful things, they're going to spill out. Not only will your life change, but the way that you treat others and the way the world is will change as well. Imagine if we all filled our cup with beautiful, amazing things, we can really change the world. So I hope you'll join me. I hope this resonates with you. But what we fill our cup with, what we fill ourselves with, is what comes out. So, what will you fill your cup with? All right, go have an amazing day. This is your 5-minute fix. I'll see you on the next episode. Thanks so much for hanging out with me.